pretty much the home screen of the application, and here be able to upload your M3U links with channels, or if you have a files, you can pretty much use that as well. You have the Extreme Code API, you can use that as well. If I do go back, here it will pretty much show you how to add it. And if you do want to find free playlists, you can tap on this option here. We'll just redirect to Google and it will pretty much show you how to do that as well. So that's really pretty much it. So how to pretty much use this application, all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon here. Once you tap on the plus icon, you will see an ad. Just tap on the X to pretty much remove those ads. So you go again and tap on this plus icon here, and once you have watched ads, you pretty much be able to load up this section here where you can watch pretty much using these links, either the M3U link or if you have the file on your device, you can use that as well. And as well the Extreme Code API as well. So all you have to do is select whichever option you like to use. Let's say for example this one here will give you a disclaimer as it relates to that. Enter the information and just tap on add playlist. It's that simple. And once you have done that, it will pretty much show over here, as you can see, it will look like something like this. And all you have to do is pretty much tap on it and you will see all the channels for that section. So for the subscription for this application here, to remove the ads and all the online answers you pretty much see once you navigate through the application, let's tap on the premium option here and you'll be able to get your subscription. You'll be able to get playlists for completely free, which you can use as well, and let's remove ads or no ads for you. And you can test out their application if you're gonna get their 1 year subscription, you get a 3 days free trial as well. So if you want to test out their subscription, let's get their 3 days free trial and see if it's worth it. As well, you do have the monthly subscription here and the yearly subscription, as you can see here. So I'm not yearly subscription, lifetime subscription I should say. It's a yearly, monthly and a lifetime subscription. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for the application. And as well, they do give you help as related to you getting these links. And here you can also tap on this option here as well to get other playlist link for free. So that's really pretty much it. If I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you out. See you in the next one.